All right, hello and welcome back to a different scene. About here 2 hours ago, I filmed that first one when we used the processor. Running the conveyor was actually decent slow. It only bound up once or twice, and I think the issue that we've been having, and they've got bolt holes here, so I don't know what the heck is missing, if mine didn't come with it, or if maybe it's a afterthought type of deal. But to fix the issue, I'm thinking about doing something like this. So what we've got, I think the only way to do it right, whether it's right or not, sure there'll be a couple in the comments that'll let me know, but I wanted to squash blade it. I think that might be what I do. If it gets bent, twisted, and broke, probably will. Won't be that big a deal. But I do have some perfect candidates for some squash plates, I guess. And they're Phillips. So even better, right? And they're nylock. That kind of sucks. Hey, can I stick my finger through here maybe? That'll work. Where's the hole? There we go. And we need the plate. Need another set of hands if you guys got any. Oh. Yeah. That. This is where things get fun. Oh. How do I get my other arm under here? Oh. Come on now. Oh, you guys can see. Oh. Oh. Where's the nut? Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, isn't that always the way? All right, there we go. Oh, one more time. Oh, a little bit more. All right. Oh. And yes, for any of you ladies out there, the grunting is mandatory. You're not working if you're not grunting. Oh. Oh, there we go. Whew, that scared me. Oh. Huh. I just need an extra 1/4 inch. Oh. I gotta bend this back down. Dirty, rotten son of a gun. It was bent up. Apparently I didn't have a thread on there. Who knew? I guess, you know what, I don't need a squash plate on the top. I think the heads, actually, as long as they don't pull through, yeah, the heads will be enough. Well, now we're cooking, right? In all honesty, I think that would be the ticket. Sounds like we're in a hurricane now. All right, let's try her again. No, I was comedian, eh? Oh. Oh, look at that. We don't need no more space like that. Come on. Come on now. Little thumb. Get small. Oh. I don't know. Might not be any easier. Keep snowing. Come on. Alright, we got her started. Next. Yeah. Yeah, this is lovely. Oh, where did the bolt go? Oh, there it is. As long as these things don't pull out, oh, you should be good. Oh. Alright. Not gonna lie, this one's already acting a little bit foolish, but oh, there it is. There it is. Uh-oh, where did not go? No. Is that it? Oh, she went bye-bye. Alright. Gotta get another nut. We needed snow today. 45 degrees out. Yesterday we had 32 for a high. Oh. Can't snow when it's above freezing, huh? Oh, that's a lot. Oh. All right. There. Now it's obviously not going to help things getting in by here and here. Uh-oh. Well, I'm going to call that good. Who knows? I would have liked it a little bit better, but all we can do is try. This is freaking ridiculous. Well, you see, if it was straight, I would have cut both these ears off here, but this side's not even giving us a problem. So didn't really help much. I was thinking it was going to fall down in there, so that's realistically what we need, but that plate back there, so this pan needs to come up, and I don't think it's going to be possible now. I guess it's going to blizzard out again. Like I said, we're at least 12-15 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. So I'm gonna get this stuff picked up and put away. Thank you guys for sticking around, the ones that did. And yeah, enjoy this lovely day. So God bless y'all. Remember to hit them buttons, and we will see you next time.